What if your classroom could become an archaeological site? In our hands-on archaeology workshop, pupils don't just learn about the past, they investigate it like real archaeologists. The experience begins with free preparatory classroom resources designed for teachers to use ahead of the visit. These introduce key ideas and vocabulary, helping pupils feel confident, curious, and ready to step into the role of archaeologists. Our archaeologist then visits the school for 3 in-person sessions, delivered on separate days to fit your timetable. In the first session, pupils go behind the scenes of archaeology. They discover how archaeologists uncover the past using tools like drones, LIDAR and 3D scanning, alongside careful excavation and recording. From lost cities to Roman sewers, they learn how archaeologists turn dirt into data and evidence into history. The second session is all about doing archaeology. Pupils become junior archaeologists as they excavate a prehistoric hut and an ancient Roman burial set up inside the school. Working in teams, they uncover pottery, lamps, jewelry, coins and glass, learning how careful observation, discussion and teamwork help reconstruct past lives. In the third session, discovery becomes understanding. Pupils turn into artifact detectives, drawing, photographing and analyzing the objects they have excavated. Using real archaeological methods, they write illustrated reports and piece together stories of everyday life in the past. After the workshops, learning continues with free follow-up classroom activities and assessment materials, helping pupils revisit key ideas and deepen their understanding. Led by academic archaeologists and carefully tailored to Key Stage 2 and Key Stage 3, our workshops combine real research, hands-on learning and critical thinking. Because archaeology isn't about memorizing facts, it's about asking questions, reading evidence and learning how we know what we know.
But what if your children are homeschooled? Don't worry, we've got you covered. All our workshops can be adapted for online delivery, allowing children to take part safely and actively from the comfort of home. Our live online sessions are carefully tailored for home-educated learners, combining engaging presentations, interactive activities and guided discussion. Children still explore real archaeological methods, examine artifacts through images and 3D models, and learn how archaeologists investigate the past, asking questions, analyzing evidence, and building interpretations together. Whether in the classroom or at home, our goal is the same: to make archaeology hands-on, meaningful, and inspiring.
Visit our website to find out more and book our workshops.